Hey, it's Sean with ETI Solutions. Want to go over some tools with you real quick. This is a new system we're doing. It ships like this, tiny, compact. It's basically just a little quick connect. Snap everything into place. Once you got that in place, you've got a very long, extended handle, and we can add several different tools to it. We've got this really new microfiber tool that is awesome for fan blades. If you've seen these things are totally flexible. You can bend it, pinch it down, so when you reach up, you can get on that fan blade perfect and clean across. Another little trick of the trade is you moisten these with a little bit of sprayer, even water, or just a neutral cleaner. These microfibers absorb better when they're damp. Also, with that tool, you've got your cobweb tool, which that fits on there, so you can do cobwebs in the corners, do some dusting. And then the really nice feather duster tool. If you guys have used these, you know they come pressed down so you can get under TVs and hard to reach areas, picture frames. These also help do a lot of dusting. So basically, just wanted to show you the one tool or the one handle. And also you can put a grout brush on here. The grout brush will fit, and the metal pole is very stern, stiff, and so you can do your grout cleaning. Thank you.